Alrighty guys, so I've already got 2 of the rafters put in, and I just used some of those brackets there, some of those hurricane brackets. Now I'm just going to finish them up. I have to go get 10 more of those brackets because I wasn't thinking, and I only got 10, but I need 20. So yeah, I'm still waiting on the 10 for the roof. Lowe's did not have the 10 in today. But I like these brackets. It makes it easier putting rafters up. This is not a big pitch or nothing. For screws, I'm just using some of these Power Pros. I like using these with the T25 and T20 bits. These are the longer ones that I use to put the 2x6s and stuff up. And for putting these brackets in, I'm using the 8x2. And if you're wondering, I am using my Milwaukee. If you didn't see on the channel, this is the one that blacked out. This is the M12. I use this on every job I go to. I have my hammer drill as well. And the other tools that I use is Skill for right now, but I'm trying to switch over to DeWalt or Milwaukee. And that leaves me with just enough overhang on the back for it to run off onto the old shed. So I forgot my sunglasses, and this tin will blind your eyes. So always make sure you have sunglasses when you put the tin on. So as you can see, it is done. Yeah, it looks really good. Show you guys that part. It's turned out really nice. Plenty of shade right here now. There could possibly be a side on that and it would help, but there's the underneath of it. So yeah, this was a fun little project, guys. I didn't get much footage, but I got it, you know, I got some. Yeah, these things are really easy to build, just a lean-to. I wish I could have put new posts on the ends here, but those will be okay. It's just as good. But there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, tool videos, building videos, all kinds of stuff. So make sure you like the video. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe.